Hi, this is Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2021 33 Outrage. It's a brand new design, brand new hull. Features on it are absolutely gorgeous. It's powered by the twin Mercury Verado 300 horsepower. Ton of horsepower for this boat. The engines are fantastic. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 33 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat. Again, I mentioned the horsepower on the 300s, on the Verados on the back. You got a really large live well, so it's all the bait you're going to need, plenty of room on that, conveniently located. If you're out for a ride on the boat, you got a nice comfy seat here. This folds up, goes away here. Nice leaning post when you are fishing. As we move over to the port side, you've got the dive door, and it does three things. You can enter the boat when you're on a floating dock like we're on now. You can walk level right on the boat. Very safe way to get on the boat. As far as fishing, when you bring them the fish, if you bring them over the gunnel, you can lose them a lot of times versus just dragging them into the fish box. Much safer way to get them on the boat. And also, you've got the ladder. So you've got the ladder that real safe way to get on the boat. So this is a really nice feature here. As we move, you get a nice prep station. So if you want to put food out, make some cocktails, you want to cut your bait, yeah, it's just a really nice prep station. And when you're going out for a ride, folds in nicely. And then you've got a really large insulated cooler, self-draining, just you can put cases and cases of your beverages inside. To the helm area, this particular boat is, we didn't bring any electronics in, so you can put 3 units up here. You can pick it, Garmin, Marine, whatever you want. You can pick your own electronics. You get the digital throttle and shift, and then you get the joystick. Joystick, you can do just about anything you want. I can go sideways. I can any direction I want to go. It also has the sky hook. You can lock me in a position. You can point the bow at the sunset. Relax on the lounger up there. It's real nice. And also, it's got the auto heading, which is an autopilot. It's a point and shoot. Fantastic system. We move around to the head. You've got a really large head areas. You get the vacuum flush, so you've got plenty of room down below. Dive ladder is in there as well, so he's conveniently stored. Then moving to the bow, we've got the lounger, really nice, big, comfortable lounger. And then storage down here. You could set this up for dive tanks. It holds a dozen rods in here, which is the new feature for in here as well. You've got a sun top that gives you the shade. And also the new feature also is it's a table or a sun pad that can be used when you take the cushions off. Really nice casting platform, big casting area. So you've got the boat does everything very, very well. It's a deep water boat. Take you anywhere you want to go. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.